So I am going to be giving you guys a quick tip on how to install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Okay, so all this means is that you're trying to download an app that's not in the Play Store, and what you're going to be trying to do here is install something from your browser like Google Chrome, for example. So what you want to do is go into your settings, you want to click on the security and privacy option, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see the unknown apps option. Now all you got to do at this point is check mark Google Chrome or whatever browser you're currently using, if it's Mozilla or something else. Then when you go back to the browser and then try to install something like an APK file or something like that, you're good to go. Okay, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.